So we'll continue with the integration what we did in the last class. So today some three new questions you see. Suppose here a question, integration sin x by sin x minus a. How do you integrate this? You remember always it's good to expand the numerator. So denominator if you expand, it will not be helpful to integrate us. So try to create x minus a here. So I can write sin of x minus a plus a. Okay? By sin x minus a dx. You got it? Now sin a plus b. What is sin a plus b? That is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, what is a here? A is x minus a, so that will be sin x minus a cos a plus cos x minus a sin a divided by sin x minus a dx. Okay, then individual divide it, sin x minus a by sin x minus a. But I will tell you one thing here, cos a is constant, so you can keep it outside. Cos a can be kept outside dx. Similarly, sin a is constant, keep outside. This is cos x minus a by sin x minus a dx. We did it. Now this gets cancelled. dx का इंटीग्रेशन था x, तो cos a into x. What about this? Look, sin का डेरिवेटिव cos. This is f dash x by fx. Log fx, because its derivative this, log of denominator. So you can write that this part is cos a into x, this part is sin a. Sin a is the log of this, log of x minus a. Okay, this is a question. Now if I change it, if you find a different question, what about a question 1 by cos x minus alpha cos x minus beta? What do you do here? There is no sin, no cos here. So this kind of question you have to always remember, you have to divide by an angle that is constant of cos x minus alpha, because constant can be multiplied and divided. Sorry, alpha minus beta. Constant, alpha minus beta is constant. Alpha beta is constant here, because you are integrating with respect to x. The cos alpha minus beta by cos x minus alpha cos x minus beta. So then you have to create this here. You have to create x minus alpha, x minus beta. How to create? Look at here. This is 1 by cos alpha minus beta. This part you are writing cos x minus beta minus cos x minus beta minus x minus alpha. Repeat here. Did I get or not? Because x and x will cancel. Minus beta minus minus plus alpha. So this creation you have to imagine how to get this factor here. Okay. Then divided by cos x minus alpha cos x minus beta dx. Okay. Now, which formula? Cos A minus B formula. So cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Formula of this. So we will get 1 by cos x minus alpha minus beta. Okay, look, cos A cos B, that means cos x minus alpha cos x minus beta. I did a mistake, sorry. You have to always make it sin, not cos. So mistake, it is sin here. You have to make it sin, sir, sin. Please do a correction. It is sin, not cos. You have to always divide sin alpha minus beta, sin alpha minus beta you have to multiply, not cos. So this is sin. Sin, this will be sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. This is sin. Look, sin A minus B. So this once more I am reminding you. You have to divide it sin alpha minus beta. Whether it is cos or sin, you have to make it sin alpha minus beta. I have done here. You are getting sin alpha minus beta. X will be cancelled. So it will be sin A cos B. So sin x minus alpha cos x minus beta divided by this cos x minus alpha into cos x minus beta plus what? Look, not plus, minus is here, cos A sin B minus cos x minus alpha sin x minus beta, because this division will be for both. Okay, whole into dx. So I have omitted one line because you have write sin A cos B minus cos A sin B divided by that. So both I have separated and done the division. So why? Because this gets cancelled. This also gets cancelled. Okay. Cos ka derivative minus sin, so minus is not here. So I can write f dash x by fx equals to log fx. इसका डेरिवेटिव है, only sin is not there. The sin, so minus sign I can multiply. So that will give you what? 1 by sin alpha minus beta. This is minus log of denominator. Okay. Again cos का derivative minus is there. So plus okay. Now log A minus log B is log A by B. So final answer is 1 by sin alpha minus beta log A minus B. plus a constant. So I am giving one more question. Try to see. Suppose the question is 1 by sin x minus a sin x minus b. So when it was cos, you are multiplying sin. When it is sin, also you have to multiply sin. So sin formula gives you sin cos both. So I have to do the same thing here. So what will be that? Now you have to multiply a minus b, sin a minus b, sin a minus b. Okay, divided by sin x minus a, sin x minus b. So you have to bring sin here. So x minus a here. How to bring? Now you have to write x minus a form, x minus b form. So that will be integration sin x minus b minus x minus a. Look at it, got or not? Sin x cancel, minus minus plus a minus b. So divided by sin x minus a sin x minus b. So if you can complete this, I am writing the formula, you will try to complete. So sin a minus b equals to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So use this formula, try to simplify like the previous question. Okay, now we will go to a new article, that is 6th standard formula. So write down 6th standard formula, 6th standard formula. So suppose 1 by x square minus a square. Okay, in the 6th standard formula, these are the algebraic form of algebraic terms here. Numerator should be 1. So square form, numerator should be 1. Then it will be 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a. First one, second one, a square minus x square. So it is 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x, ulta plus c. Okay, third one, 1 by a square plus x square. What do you get? Now 1 by a tan inverse x by a. This three you have to learn by heart, otherwise not possible. This 3 is gone. These 3 are without square root. Now we have other 3 with square root. So 1 by a square minus x square root over sin inverse x by a. Okay. One by a square plus x square, but root of square root. What do you get? Log x plus root over of a square plus x square. plus theta you can write at the last. Now this is x square minus a square root over. So log x plus root over of x square minus a square. Okay, let's see what is the pattern of question on this. Start with a simple question. 1 by 1 plus 4x square under square root. So what you have to do is, you write in the square form. So that will be 1 by 1 square plus 2x whole square under square root. Okay? Related to which formula? Look at related to this formula. So you can write since is 1 by a square plus x square is log x plus a square plus x square. But in place of x you are getting 2x. So that will be log 2x, because in place of x we have got 2x. So that 2x plus root over of 1 square plus 2x whole square. This is done. Divided by, remember chain rule, don't forget, because in place of x you have got 2x. So 2x का chain rule, 2x का derivative, that is 2. Divide by 2. Then a constant. Okay, see another question. X square minus 9. Let's take 9 minus x square root over. So what will you get? Now write in the square form. So that will be 3 square minus x square under square root. Okay, because you have tried in square form. Now which formula is here? The formula is since a square minus x square equals to, look at a square minus x square equals to sin inverse x by a. So this will be sin inverse x by 3. Because this is similar to this plus a constant. Okay. Now, if I change the question little bit, x square by x to the power 6 minus a to the power 6 dx. What to do? I told you numerator should be 1 and this should be square form. Okay, so I can write one more step here. This is x cube whole square minus a cube whole square dx. Possible? But I have to remove this so that इसको t लेने से इसका डेरिवेटिव is this one. So go to substitution method. P equals to x cube. P equals to x cube. So dt by dx. 3x square. So dt by 3x square equals to dx. So our I equals to, this will remain x square by t square minus a cube whole square. Remember this is constant, doesn't matter any term here, but dx is dt by 3x square. So this x square is gone. Now you got your numerator as 1. So which formula I have to use? Remember, I have given you, since 1 by x square minus a square dx, 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a. In place of x you have got t, in place of a you have got a cube. It doesn't matter because this is a constant term. So in place of a only a cube you have to think. So that will be 1 by 2, 1 by 3 is already there. This 1 by 3 is already there. 1 by 2a. What is a here? A cube. 2a cube. Log x minus a means t minus a cube. T plus a cube. Plus constant. Now put back the value of t. So this became 1 by 6a cube log x cube minus a cube divided by x cube plus a cube. Okay. Suppose everyday question, sec square x by 4 plus tan square x. Same problem, numerator should be 1, so I have to make it 1. How? I have to make tan x equals to t. Tan x का derivative is x square x. So put t equals to tan x. dt by dx equals to sec square x. Okay. So dt by sec square x equals to dx. Now back to the question. I equals to sec square x 4. 4 means 2 square t square dt by sec square x. This is cancelled. Now you compare which formula you have to do here. So I can take the formula is 1 by a square plus x square 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Listen now. So that became 1 by 2 tan inverse t by 2. The t means 1 by 2 tan inverse tan x by 2. Okay. So this 6th standard formula you have to practice some more questions. I'll try to give one more question. Suppose I have got a question. This is something different. 2 minus x whole square plus 1 into. What to do in this? It's similar. Similar to what? This is 1 by x square plus a square under square. This is log x plus root over of x square plus a square. But in place of x, what you have got? 2 minus x. So that will be log 2 minus x x की जगह पर 2 minus x plus root over of 2 minus x whole square plus 1 square But don't forget, what you not forget is, in place of x you have got 2 minus x. So 2 minus x का derivative, that is minus 1. Okay? Then this minus I can write here. Minus 1 log 2 minus x plus root over of 2 minus x whole square plus 1 square. Okay, where this minus 1 will go now? You can simplify more, this will become power. Power means, since n log n to the power n, this become power. So minus 1 will become power of this. So that will be log 2 minus x plus 2 minus x whole square plus 1 square root over power is minus 1. So power is minus 1 means you can write a to the power minus 1 is what? 1 by 8. That means this part will be 1 by this. So final answer is log 1 by, because a to the power minus 1 is 1 by 8, so this will be 1 by 2 minus x plus square root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1 plus a constant. So its application of 6th standard formula we will be studying tomorrow.